Hey guys, today let's learn how to download Twitter videos on Twitter, of course, without any third-party application. So how do you necessarily download Twitter videos? If you want to go ahead and download Twitter videos, of course, but you don't really want to use a third-party application to do so. Well guys, we actually have some good news for you, especially for those new users of the iPhone device and also some new Android device users. So what we want to basically do once we're already on here is to basically find a video on here, and once we actually find for the video that we want to download, I'm going to look for that real quick right here. And I think I want to go ahead and download maybe this video right here as soon as I find one. Okay, this is a video that I could download. Basically, if you want to go ahead and download this video on your device and without really using a third-party application, you could easily download this video by using the screen recording option that is built in on every iOS device. Now, this is also available on most newer Android devices. So if you want to go ahead and use this option, all we need to do is to just tap right here on this symbol right here, and this is the screen recording feature. Now it's going to count down from 3, 2, and 1, and then you can now basically play the whole thing that you're trying to watch on your screens. And once you're happy with what you have played, just tap on that symbol once again to save it on your devices, and then from there, that is how you basically quickly download your Twitter video without a third-party application. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.